Today, a judge in Austin ruled in favor of civil rights organizations suing to increase the availability of mail-in ballots during the coronavirus pandemic. The lawsuit filed by the Texas Democratic Party, ACLU, League of Women Voters, and more now moves forward. KXAN's Maggie Glenn outlines the arguments made in court today.
Right now in Texas, in order to qualify for a mail-in ballot, a person must have a disability, be 65 years or older, be out of the county during the voting period, or be confined to jail without a felony conviction. The Texas Democratic Party says the coronavirus pandemic should qualify more Texans under the disability provision.
If you are practicing social distancing because you are fearful that you may be exposed to this coronavirus, and for that reason, you would be hesitant or would not go vote in person to a polling place, that you should be allowed to vote by mail.
The governor said earlier this month he does not want to take away Texans' legal right to vote in person. The ACLU says it does not want to take away in-person voting either, but make mail-in voting more available to those concerned about their health.
The last thing we want is for people to risk their health and safety when there are options available at this time for them to safely vote without having to put themselves in danger.
The Texas Attorney General's office argued the disability provision is clearly defined as a sickness or physical condition. The AG's office says fear of sickness is an emotional condition, not a physical one. But if someone does get COVID-19, then they would qualify for a mail-in ballot. Maggie Glenn, KXAN News.
The state is expected to appeal the judge's decision today.